Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build retirement savings with Charles Schwab, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your retirement goals. Think about when you want to retire and how you envision your lifestyle. Estimate your retirement expenses, including healthcare, housing, and daily living costs. Next, assess your current financial situation. Review your income, expenses, savings, and existing retirement accounts. Determine how much you can realistically contribute to your retirement savings each month. Now, explore different retirement accounts offered by Charles Schwab. Consider opening a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA for tax advantages. If you're employed, investigate if your employer offers a 401k plan. Maximize any employer match, as this is essentially free money. Once you've chosen an account, begin setting up your contributions. Use Schwab's online tools to help automate your savings. Regular contributions can help you take advantage of dollar cost averaging. Research investment options available through Schwab. Consider diversifying your portfolio with stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Balance risk and reward based on your age and risk tolerance. Periodically review your investment performance. Adjust your portfolio as needed, especially as you near retirement. Be mindful of fees associated with your investments. Minimize costs to maximize your potential returns. Understand the withdrawal rules for your chosen retirement accounts. Plan for how and when you'll access your funds in retirement. Stay informed about market trends and changes in retirement laws. Utilize Schwab's educational resources for ongoing learning. Consult with a financial advisor for personalized guidance if needed. Monitor your progress towards your retirement savings goals regularly. Make adjustments to your savings plan as your circumstances change. Commit to a long-term approach to building your retirement funds. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.